This is a test to identify which of these iconic earphones sounds better on a phone call. One is Samsung Buds Plus and the other one is Apple Airpods Pro. Let me start by saying that both these earphones are truly wireless and they both work on Bluetooth version 5.0 and they both sounds great. But do they capture great voice is something we will discover on this video. So here's the setup. We will be playing vocals using this speaker at a decibel level of about 70 to 75. That is the decibel sound we produce when we talk on a phone call. We'll pair both these earphones alternatively with Samsung Galaxy S20 and use the inbuilt call recording feature to test the microphone. So let's get this cracking. Now, I have paired the Samsung Buds Plus and kept the earphone at a distance of about 2 to 3 inches from the source of sound. And we'll start playing vocals at a decibel level of about 70 to 75 for about 15 seconds for you to, have ample time to listen to it.
Ever wondered how will it sound to have a mixed blend of Android phone with AirPods Pro? Let's find out. This is AirPods Pro 2020 that we will pair it with Samsung Galaxy S20 and test everything that you can do and can't do it. Ever wondered how will it sound to have a mixed blend of Android phone with AirPods Pro? Let's find out. This is AirPods Pro 2020 that we will pair it with Samsung Galaxy S20 and test everything that you can do and can't do it.
After listening to both, I realized that AirPods Pro sounds way better than Samsung Buds Plus. It sounded more natural and clear. So that was my quick review on the microphones of these wireless earphones. Do let me know about your views in the comment section below. Till then, have a great one.